we are still, we can be treated as free state from coronavirus till today. Okay? Free state from coronavirus till today. And the credit goes to all the government functionaries and also the community-based functionaries, because without which I don't think we'll be able to fight this disease which is so dangerous to all of us. So therefore, I'm so thankful to the different categories, different levels of our government machineries. They did not sleep well even. They don't care even about sleeping, just to make sure that this disease does not enter our state. And also, I would like to express on behalf of the government the cooperation that we have from all the concerned localities, the Hetman, the Rambashno, the Nokma, Daloy, and all concerned local authorities. They really help us a lot, and I'm so thankful to all of them. And my request once again on behalf of the government is, let us not be complacent. Let us still walk and fight against this disease, because we all know this disease has already entered Assam, which is our neighbor state. It's only maybe a matter of few steps. We can reach Assam or we can reach Meghalaya. Okay? So my humble request to all the concerned authorities, especially the local authorities, to be more vigilant, and will make sure that the interstate movement is totally stopped. Interstate movement should be totally stopped. Government cannot do that alone. We still don't have a proper fencing between Meghalaya and Assam, or even between Bangladesh and India. We still have a stretch as far as international border is concerned where the fencing is yet to be completed. Okay? That's why I'm saying we need the cooperation of the concerned local Darbar or local village authority. And my humble request once again to all of them is, let us work day and night, make sure that those people who trying to come into Meghalaya be stopped in a certain point. They should be stopped and they should not be allowed to enter the respective villages. Okay? So this is my appeal, my request on behalf of the government to all the Rambashno, to all the local authorities, that we should be more proactive, because now we are approaching to the date where the government of India has already announced the lockdown. Lockdown date is over on the 14th of this month. And I'm telling you, if we can cross this bridge, I'm sure we will be safe.